Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you're having a great day because we are. And guys, आज का जो वीडियो है it's going to be like very budget friendly video. हम लोग like कोलाबा जा रहे हैं अभी and we'll gift ourselves 1000 rupees cash each and उसके बाद we're gonna do street shopping there and we're like gonna make a vlog about like हम लोग क्या क्या खरीद सकते हैं within 1000 rupees की range तक, which will be like सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ types. तो लेट्स सी, हम लोग अभी यहाँ से ट्रेन लेंगे अभी टिल CST एंड वहाँ से विल गो टू दी स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग सेंटर एंड आई विल मीट यू ऑल देयर. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस बिल्डिंग इज दिस होल मिरर.
We are team CST return. कितना हुआ?
क्या है? So we just reached the CST and right now we're looking for a ATM and इसी कहीं गली में था जहाँ तक हमको नॉलेज है. एंड इसके बाद we'll take a taxi ride to go to the Colaba
Causeway.
Colaba Causeway and वहाँ पे we'll start shopping and I'll let you know कि मैं क्या क्या खरीदता हूँ and उसके बाद में at the end I'll show you the whole thing कि मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा within 1000 rupees. So let's see. ATM आ गया, ये रहा है. कोटक में आ जा, कोटक में आ जा. ये भी दे दीजिए भैया. एक ये स्लिंग बैग और एक ये फैनी पैक. कितने का हुआ
आपको? हो गया 500 रुपये और है, 450 रुपये. ठीक है,
ओके भैया. कितने का होंगे भैया? Got these for 250. So cover भैया. It's a good deal. कैसे हो ये?
अच्छा, बहुत
We're finally in the गली जहाँ पे लड़कों के अच्छे कपड़े मिल रहे हैं. I think भाई. I would love to get a jersey, man. Yeah.
Look at these.
I would love to get a jersey or a short. Yeah. I have 500 left with me. This is see कि कौन से हैं यहाँ पे. Man, सारे कंपनीज दिख रहे हैं भाई यहाँ पे तो. ओके, ये लिए क्या सेट है क्या?
पूरा सेट आएगा 650 का होगा.
500 तक का रेंज है.
वीडियो कर रही है.
हाँ,
क्या करने का?
ब्लॉग बना रहे हैं.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
ना यूट्यूब के लिए. Guys, we just completed our shopping and मैंने जितना एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि like कितना सस्ता होगा आइटम, उतना सस्ता नहीं था. Like it was quite costly. Oh my god, stop honking. So with 1000 rupees I was able to buy 3 things. It's this Man City की jersey. It's quite pretty. I really like the design of it. And I got a sling bag of Adidas and some sunglasses, black shades. So it's like it's good quality. but the prices were too high, so in that case I only got 3 stuff. Yeah. What did you get, bro?
got 3 rings. I
Mm-hmm.
got 2 crop tops and a sunglass.
Where's Didi? You got sunglasses too?
Yeah.
By the way, we are right now just in front of Taj. Man, this is some
Let's go to
pretty.
Starbucks.
This is hella pretty, yeah. Hi, finally man. Starbucks last मैंने पता है मेरे ख्याल से अमेरिका में last पिया था भाई. Seriously, the last drink I had was in America only.
I think me too.
Which she suggested
No,
me,
no. I had
and
it
it was
in
really
your
awful.
place.
Hello, bring me this camera, cell phone.
Come on, bro. Pretty. I only want something to drink. I won't eat anything. Man, this is so pretty. She literally says hello, I am Karan. Bro, आपने क्या क्या लिया?
Let's just do our call यहाँ पे.
Yeah. आपने क्या क्या लिया?
I already told them. No, like, of course.
You got that.
This is my fanny pack.
That's mine.
This is urgent.
This is mine. All
I
right.
got this. So funny story. I got this little shirt, but it's like a cardigan. So I might like get buttons like sleeves
All
and
right.
stuff.
Next.
So yeah, that and then
Oh, there's more.
this jersey.
That's mine, bro.
My
Achha, you're doing everyone's now.
my
Oh.
sunglasses.
All right. Cool.
Or do you just want to like go around and show what, or like?
Yeah, please keep it. Last time I came here, I was like in second standard, like before going to America.
No, you weren't. You came here
After-
in 2018 also.
Not gateway of it. Oh, right. उस रात को आए थे भाई अपनी फोटो भी वाली.
फोटो भी है.
Yeah, man, like उधर ही कहीं फोटो खिंचाई थी हम लोग ने.
उधर.
And man, this is some pretty view. पानी एकदम ऊपर तक आता होगा ना यहाँ पे. भाई अलग ही कल्चर है यार यहाँ पे तो बोट्स का. So we just came to Marine Drives, which is in South Mumbai only, na?
अबे Marine Drive is in Marine Line only.
अच्छा ऐसा होता है क्या? It's quite crowded though. You want to sit right here?
First time we came here together.
बात की भाई. Holy shit, man. इतना अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. Like the air is so present right now.